I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, doing. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me. Ain't no.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Taylor or Taylor Simone. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and join the crew. And if you're not new here, welcome back to another video. Oh my god, y'all, this man just walked behind my house. Okay, anyways, in today's video, it's gonna be a whole maintenance vlog. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a maintenance video. I'm very excited. As y'all can see, I just blew out my hair. That's why I kind of look fluffy in my facial routine and everything. So yeah, I also wanted to point out that I made the Content Society, which I'm so happy about. Like, if y'all don't know what Content Society is, it's basically a group formed by Michaela Amari, the YouTuber Michaela Amari, and Mac Nicole, and they really, you know, we communicate in there. It's like a whole girls group chat, and it's like girls supporting girls, and it's a whole lot of good vibes. So I'm really happy that they chose me in their top 10. It's currently 9:29. My first appointment is, well, I only have one appointment today. My lash appointment is at 10:30. I have to go to work at 4:30, but obviously I'm not gonna film me at work. But I am gonna film on my lash appointment if she let me. If she don't, you know, I respect her, because my first time getting my lashes done, let alone my first time getting it done with her. So yeah, the second appointment is probably gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna get my nails done. And then my third appointment, oh, and I'm gonna get my eyebrows done at my nail appointment too. So yeah, then my fourth one is gonna be my hair appointment, which is on Friday, and y'all gonna see what hairstyle I'm getting or whatever. So yeah, I'm steady looking at my iPad. That's really what I'm looking at. That's really just gonna be this whole video, a maintenance vlog. Yeah, definitely stay tuned for all of that. Right now I'm just chilling. I'm probably gonna get some editing done. It's 9:31, and I'm probably not gonna leave till like 10:20, because it's up the street really, so it's not far. I'm probably gonna catch y'all when I'm on my way to my appointment, or I'm in the appointment if she let me film. So yeah. Okay y'all, so I'm at my lash appointment. I'm waiting on my lash tech. I don't know, I think she's doing something, but I'm excited. It's really quiet in here. That's why I'm talking quiet. I don't really disturb nobody. It's currently 10:47. This girl gave me her card. She also do nails here, so I'm gonna see what that's about. But this is what it looks like. It's lash tip. Hey vlog. You wanna say hey? I'm late. It's okay. So what's your favorite artist? Oh, you want me to come with you? Okay. Oh, this is so. Like song? Yeah, she's so cool. It's my first time, but she does my mom's lashes, so she's like my mom's close friend or whatever. So yeah, I'm really excited. And she got a tripod in here, so it's giving. I'm gonna have to use her tripod for my content. I'm probably gonna see y'all when.
I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Okay, y'all, so I just got back home. They look so good. So pretty. Make sure y'all book with her. I'm gonna put her Instagram right here, and it's gonna be in the description. Make sure y'all book with her. Right now I'm just about to eat. I just got me some chicken tenders, some french fries, and I'm about to eat. Probably finish my editing. I'm about to finish editing because that's what I need to do. Chill out for the rest of the day until I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna hit y'all later or tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day, and right now I'm getting ready to go get my nails done. It's 12:30. I'm telling you the time. It's 12:32. Yeah, I'm about to leave and go get my nails done and get my eyebrows done. Don't mind my hair. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to it.
I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be with you, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm
Okay, y'all, don't play. She ate down on the nails. So, like, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. She really did eat. Like, she really ate. Like, it's giving summer, girl. Like, it's really giving. And I'm hungry. I don't know what I want to eat. I don't really know what's around here. I don't want to walk to the mall. Okay, y'all, so I just got back home or whatever from the nail shop and getting my eyebrows did. So these my eyebrows. I love getting them done, and I only go to one girl to get them done. Like, I just look like a whole new person. Like, your girl is, it's giving maintenance. Yeah, it's giving a whole new person. Like, who is this? Yeah, so I got my nails done. Here's my nails. They're so cute. They're duckies. The first person I went to, the girl that I usually go to get my eyebrows done, a man there that does my nails, but she was like, he don't even work there anymore. So I was like, oh my god, like, where am I gonna get my nails done? And then I came over towards my house and I found a nail salon to go to, and yeah, she ate the girls up. Right now, I'm about to get ready for work, so I gotta go to work at 4:30 and it's 3:45. So I'm about to wrap it up. I'm gonna start importing my clips to my iPad so I can start editing this maintenance vlog. Y'all are gonna see this vlog probably Tuesday. I don't know. Y'all are gonna see this vlog Tuesday. So my first day of school is Monday. Y'all gonna see this vlog on Tuesday. And y'all gonna see my first day of school vlog on Friday. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. About to get ready for work and chill out, probably get some food. I didn't want to buy no food because I'm saving money so I can buy my camera. I don't want to order no food, but yeah. And I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, maybe. Probably tomorrow because obviously it's a maintenance vlog. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow when I get my hair done at my hair appointment or before my hair appointment.
Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze?
Okay, y'all, so right now I just got home from my hair appointment and it's so cute. Like, I'm in a bathroom because my room is occupied right now and everybody is late and everybody's trying to go to bed or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this maintenance vlog. Make sure y'all follow my socials down below to see some more pictures of my hair or whatever, or my nails. And yeah, make sure you follow my socials. It's gonna be in the description and on the screen right here. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for my first day of school video because I go back to school tomorrow because technically it's 1 in the morning, so I go to school tomorrow, my first day of school. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.